Hi guys, so welcome to week 4 of 52 in hashtag Realtor Life and hashtag Realtors and Cars. So today I'm super excited. I have a really good friend of mine, and actually client, friend, all kinds of the above with me today, and she's starting a new business that I wanted to share with you guys. But my friend's starting a food truck. Her name is Kristen Esposito, and this is such an exciting time in her life because she is a mom, and I actually met her probably 20 years ago, would you say?
Getting there, yeah.
I think I had all my children in tow selling logo stuff and marketing before I became a realtor.
That's where I am now.
That's it. And she was actually the marketing director for Wildflower Bread Company.
Yeah, manager, yeah.
Yeah, she was really, really good. So Wildflower Bread Company, side note. So she's going to tell you today about her new product that is, they're launching February 8th at an event, and I want to pass the mic over to Kristen to tell you all about what's going on. So go.
Hi everyone, like Wendy said, I'm Kristen, and I have just started a new venture, a fresh guacamole food trailer, and my brand is Guac Girl.
Can you guys see the logo right there? Yes.
So this kind of came about. My brother is in the event, major venue business with a company called Island Noodles. They make fresh wok-fired soba noodles. Mm-hmm. And I was looking for something. I really want to jumpstart my career after I had my son. He's now going to be 4. And
wow, already?
Yeah,
oh my gosh.
He's big.
Yeah.
And you know, guac is something I really love and something that I thought I could do. So I just started really thinking about ideas and where I could take it. I love creativity, and I came with 4 really inventive varieties of guac that I'm gonna, bring to people starting next month.
I'm so excited for you.
Yeah, it's super
And so
exciting.
have you purchased your truck already?
I have. It has been a long process. I started with a 1968 2-horse trailer.
Oh, neat. That's cool.
That I'm converting into it has a real kitchen inside, or all the stuff that I need, and some really excellent, graphics.
Maybe we'll have to have you at one of our real estate events.
For sure.
Who doesn't like guacamole?
Yes.
Right? And it's healthy for you, too. It's like such a good fat, and it's so big and popular right now. I'm so thrilled because I know I love it.
Yeah. I could eat a whole bowl of guac any day.
I know. So she actually brought, this will be my first time trying her product today. Tell us a little bit about this.
So this guac, let me turn it around, is kind of what we're trying to make our real signature one. I call it pineapple habanero. Has a little kick, but not so much kick that if you're not a spice person, you're gonna freak out. You'll be good.
All right.
So there's pineapple, cilantro, pepitas, cotija cheese, and some Mexican oregano, and the guac mix, which is onion, jalapeno, and all that. So
I'm excited.
yeah.
All right, you guys ready? Let's do it.
You want to dig in, Wendy?
You gonna have some with me?
Sure.
All right. I love it.
Get some pineapple.
I gotta get a pineapple piece.
Yeah.
All right.
Gotta have a pineapple.
Okay, ready? Wow, so good. I love the sweet.
Mm-hmm.
I love it. It is so good. This is my first time trying it.
Yeah. It was like on camera, real deal.
Yeah. That's delicious.
Yeah.
And it actually has a really robust flavor, and it's not spicy.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm kind of a wimp.
You are, yeah.
A little bit.
Well, it will have that kick, and what I wanted to do with these kind of flavors of guac is maintain the integrity of the guac, but still have some bursts of unique flavors that will really be, memorable.
Great. So we're going to wrap things up today, guys, because we know that everybody has to move on with their day. But I'm going to post on social media when her first event is going to be and where and times. If you have any questions or if you'd like to book her for any of your events, I'm sure she'd be open to that.
For sure.
Good. And as always, I hope you find these to be helpful. And if you have anybody looking to buy or sell real estate, please send them my way. So, guys, happy travels, and I will talk to you next week for hashtag Realtor Life.
Bye.